Since its invention in the Dutch Republic in the 17th century, the microscope has one of the longest and most fascinating histories of all scientific instruments. Each century has produced evolving designs of microscopes. It was during this period that optics of the light microscope achieved their limits in terms of resolution, and microscopy became a gentleman's pleasure in Victorian society. It was the period when the optical empires of Leitz and Zeiss were founded in Germany, largely serving medical researchers, while in Britain, Beck, Ross, Powell and Leyland, Watson and others grew to supply the demand for amateur gentlemen. Instruments from this period are resplendent in their polished brass and glass, and a huge range of accessories was made to facilitate examination, many of which are still invaluable today. In the 20th century, significant advances were made in microscope design and optics, resulting in the light microscopes of today. During this period, the microscope changed from a gentleman's pleasure to an instrument of industry and research, and this is reflected in the changes of microscope stand from the 1930s to 1950s. Many of these microscopes are now collectible items, whilst remaining as workable instruments capable of delivering the best results. Collecting antique microscopes and slides makes an absorbing hobby. With the availability of internet auction sites, a collection can be built quickly, with prices ranging from a few pounds for some slides to many thousands of pounds for the finest instruments. Many collectors specialize in one maker, such as Watson and Son, or in one period in the development of the microscope. The upcoming auction at Hessings, called Instruments of Science and Technology, offers a wonderful opportunity for both experienced and novice collectors, with a beautiful single-owner collection of various scientific instruments from the 17th to the 20th century and from various countries such as the Netherlands, England, Germany and France. The auction will take place at Hessings Auction Room in Hasselt in the Netherlands on the 20th of May 2023 and will start at noon. Interested parties have the opportunity to view the pieces before the start of the auction. These special viewing days are from Thursday, May 18th to Friday, May 19th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and on Saturday, the 20th of May from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.